Hi kids, I am Chandrima. Welcome to SDSC Education. Today we will learn social study. I know that this is a new subject to all you. Hopefully you will enjoy. Let's us begin with the chapter. The chapter name is Family Trends. So kids, what is a family? A family is a group of people who are related to each other. They may or may not live the same house. Father, mothers, brothers, sisters, uncle, aunties, cousins, and grandparents make a family. From the day we are born, we become an important part of our family. People who belong to the same family are called relatives. Family members take care of each other in various ways. They look after each other's needs. They also take care of any family members who is unwell. Now kids, we will learn type of families. Each family is different. Families can be of many types like joint family, nuclear family and single parents family. What is joint family? In a joint family, grandparents, parents, uncle, aunties and children live together in the same house. All families members enjoy each other company in a joint family. What is nuclear family? A family with parents and their children live together in the same house is called a nuclear family. Members of a nuclear family meets the other family members on various occasions and come together to celebrate special event. What is single parents family? Some children live with only one parent. Such as a family is called a single parents family. Now, generation. Have you ever thought why you have not seen your parents or grandparents' childhood? This is because you are not born during that time. Your parents were also not born when your grandparents were small kids. This means that you, your parents and grandparents belong to different generations. A generation means is a group of people who were born and have lived around the same time. So, you are in one generation, your parents in the previous generation, and your grandparents are in the generation before that. We get to know about our previous generation thought our parents or grandparents. So kids, what is and who is working parents? In a family, all family members work together to take care of each other's needs. Our parents work at home to make us comfortable. They also work outside home to earn money and provide for our needs. In earlier time, the father worked outside home to earn money while the mother take care of the household. In the parents' time, in many houses, both the parents work outside as well as do household work. Such working parents may depend on helper or the any maids to look after their children. In many joint family, grandparents or the other family members take care of the children to working parents. Changes happen all the time. Even in our family, we observe many changes. A family changes and grows when new members are added to the family. Let's discuss when it happens. Birth of a baby. A new member is added to the family when a baby is born. The family grows and changes with the birth of a baby. The baby becomes sibling of the elder child. Adopting of a child. Some parents adopt a child who is not born to them to be a part of their family. An adopted child thus becomes a new member of the family and gets love and care from the new family. Marriage. A new member becomes a part of our family after getting married to any of our relatives. We welcome the new member with happiness and celebration. A family also changes when some family members go away and the size of the family reduces. Many parents with their children may move to a new house in the same city, different city, or different country. In such case, many joint families become nuclear families. They may happen due to reason like finding a new job or due the transfer. They may also staff or shift to a new house if the family grows and it becomes difficult to adjust in the limited space of the existing house. Some children also move out of the house to different city or country when they get a change for better education there. Family size also reduce when a member move out after getting married. It also reduces when there is a death in the family. So kids, what is adaptation? Adjustment made in response to the changes happening around us is called adaptation. When a new member is added due to birth, adoption or marriage, family members make changes in their role, daily routine and space of house to make the new members comfortable. When people shift from joint family to nuclear family, they have to adapt the new life. Parents have to manage their time to do the household chores, manage the children and earn a living. The child or children also needed to learn to be more independent and responsible. Both the children and the parents adapt to changes to make life easy and comfortable. Similarly, members of family support each other in case of death in the family. Thus, when there is any change in the family, it is important to learn to adapt to changes happening around us. So kids, go through learn the chapter, and any doubt and queries send comment and subscribe my channel.